Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Aurapets. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a drop for the eyes of your dogs or your pets. So as you can see, you have it pulled up here on their website. So you have these 1x bottles, 2x, 3x, and 6x. So if you're wondering if the shop is legit, so far, I'd say it's 50-50 since it does have the trace of a scam website. And as you can see, these are they are flashing big discounts or big sales in your face, which is a sign of a scam website. So let's go over here to Trustpilot and see some reviews and see that they're actually rated 4.0 out of 5 stars, which is actually great. So, but before we read that, a lot of you have been sending me products to review. So since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below for you to check out yourself. So with that out of the way, let's read some reviews right here. So as you can see, I don't know if it's going to work, 5 stars, but it doesn't say anything about the product itself. Excellent customer service, which we will rule that out since it doesn't say anything about the product. This person said, great product. Garbage product, which is a 1 star. Customer service is amazing. Let's rule that out as well, since it doesn't say anything about the product also. So this one is 5 stars. My dog has had fog eye for years. So praying this gives the guy some relief. So far so good. We'll continue to watch. So it didn't remove the fog eyes from his dog. So this person said, I can't say this is a scam because my dog's eyes haven't gotten better. So this is also a clear indication that this doesn't work. And here are also on malware tips. They also go how the Aurapets nano-drops review is a scam. So as you can see, the key claims are it has sublingual formula, allows for up to 98% bioabsorption. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. So as you can see, the marketing language is right here. So basically, the red flags are here. The unrealistic health promises, overuse of technical jargons without scientific citations, overwhelmingly positive reviews that lack specific details, clinical terms like stem cell activation without proof. Basically, they just go over to read the actual reviews, just like here, guys. As you can see, there are a lot of 5-star reviews. However, when you actually read the reviews, they aren't about the product themselves. It is mostly about the customer service or random 5 stars from random people. And yeah, before buying this product, I advise you to do some research or just buy a product that actually works or that's actually trusted. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.